5:48 right now. Let's talk about the weather.
I'll tell you, I can feel that whole story right there with
Yeah.
this forecast.
Well, we had a bit of
Yikes.
sunshine yesterday, but then it kind of went away.
Well, we will have more sunshine today, so there is the caveat there. But
We'll take it.
what's to come next? Like I said, I feel like I want to be in bed all weekend long. Look at this. Here is our 7-day forecast for you. We do have a weather impact alert I do want to get to for the second half of Friday. We've got some updates to that. But yes, this is no joke. This ain't April Fool's. This is the beginning of November, and I already have a snowflake icon on my 7-day forecast. We will get back to that in just a bit. But as you are heading out the door right now, kids, make sure they are nice and bundled up. Yet again, because of those clear skies overnight, it feels like we are right around that freezing mark. But that sun will come out today, so go outside and enjoy it. Just probably will need a jacket for you there. But over the next 3 days, it's a very interesting forecast for us because tomorrow we are watching out for a risk of some showers and storms. For Saturday, it looks to be dry and still mild, but then some really cold air is going to be coming in. So what we're looking at for the impact forecast would be the second half of your day on Friday for rain and storms. Now, I'm starting to get some indications, one, things might end a little bit earlier, and two, it may not be as intense. But regardless, I want to walk you through what I'm seeing right now, and this is just a perfect example of sometimes with these storm systems sweeping in from the north, things can change very quickly. So I'm going to show you one of our longer range models. This is 9:30 tomorrow. Now, this would still have some rain coming through late morning into the afternoon. But as we go into 1st and 10, and a couple other models already have this out of here, so there is a potential now that your football games tomorrow night might be in much better shape as well as the commute home. Some look like this, others have nothing. So I'm kind of showing you what's in between. One thing that is a certainty is on Saturday, we do clear out. Winds coming in out of the west, and we do get a brief break. Saturday's actually looking to be quite lovely. Now, as we go into Sunday, though, here is our next storm system. This one dipping a little bit further south, and it's dipping into really cold air from the north. So this is Sunday morning, and you can see really kicking up snow for parts of Michigan into Indiana. So what does this mean for us? Well, on the backside, after this front passes, it does look like we will get some moisture wrapping in with this extremely cold Arctic air, and that could be enough to give us some snowflakes, some light snow as we go into Monday morning. I'm not looking at accumulations right now, but this could still change. But I do want to let you know, don't be surprised if you wake up Monday morning and you have some snowflakes, maybe even seeing some overnight as we go into Sunday. But then this does move out by Tuesday. So this is a one-day event, but it is going to start off as rain as we go into Sunday. So here's what you need to know. Still keeping an eye on tomorrow, but I would prepare at some point to see some brief showers and maybe a few storms. Saturday's the best day of the weekend. Sunday into Monday, it gets real nasty. But